Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Friends, today I am here with another interesting swing trade stock. This swing trade stock belongs to the poultry sector and the stock has given returns of 6% in just one day and it has given mind-blowing returns of 500% in just 5 years. That means it has multiplied your capital by almost 5 times. It is a 5 times multi-bagger stock and it is now presently well positioned to give at least 20% returns in coming 30 to 60 days. The stock is one of the leading company in poultry sector. It is none other than Venky's India Limited. The VH Group, the Venkateshwara Hatcheries Private Limited Group, was established in 1971 by Padma Shri Dr. B.V. Rao. He was fondly referred to as father of the Indian poultry industry. Today the group is popularly known as Venky's. With a unique combination of expertise and experience and supported by strategic collaborations, the company diversified its activities to include SPF eggs, chicken and eggs processing, broiler and layer breeding, genetic research and poultry diseases diagnostic, poultry vaccines and feed supplements and many more. The Venky's Group is the largest fully integrated poultry group in Asia. It plays proud parent to a number of reputed organizations under its wide umbrella and successfully caters to poultry and its elite sectors. Venky's stock has got a recent news. The volume spurt at Venky's India Limited counter. Previous session, the Venky's share has notched up a volumes of 6.07 lakh shares. It is 8.5 times more than the 2-week average daily volumes. Friends, this jump is very huge. Let us analyze this stock technically by using charts, and in the end I am going to give you levels and targets for taking a swing trade. Before going further, I would request you to watch my playlist of multi-bagger stocks, stock market for beginners and mutual funds. Also please follow us on Telegram channel. You can find important updates on daily basis. Also please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's come back to the topic. Let's see the past returns given by this company. In the past 1 week, the stock has given just returns of minus 0.56% and in the past 1 month, the stock has given returns of just 1.8%. But friends, in the past 1 year, the stock has given excellent returns of 115% in just 1 year. That means if you have invested 1 lakh 1 year ago, it would have become 2 lakhs 15,000 by now. Guys, before analyzing the stock technically, let us quickly brush up its fundamentals. Now let us look briefly into its business. Venky's has wide range of products like animal healthcare products, biosecurity products, biotech, aqua, human healthcare products, egg powder, FMCG, VH breed, vaccines, equipment and feed supplements. Venky's is famous for its chicken processed products like chicken keema, chicken breast, chicken seekh kebab, chicken nuggets, chicken cutlet, chicken cheese and nuggets, chicken hot dogs, etc. Venky's is also famous for its stores like Venky's Express and Venky's Chicken Experience. Friends, with wide range of products and its premium stores, Venky's Express and Experience, Venky's is doing excellent business in this industry. Friends, if you look at its financials, the company financials are very good. Its revenue has increased from 2.72 to 3.15 from 2018 to 2021 and its profits are increased from 0.20 to 0.27 despite the loss of 0.03 in 2020 due to COVID pandemic. Both the growth in revenue and profit are very good. All the values are in 1000 crores. Now let's see whether the company is overvalued or undervalued. Venky's PE, the price to earning value is 15.53 whereas industrial PE is 50.95. That means the stock is highly undervalued. If you look at its PB, the price to book value, Venky's PB is 3.77 whereas sector PB is 9.23. That means stock is highly undervalued. Venky's India Limited is available at fair price and it is an excellent stock in poultry sector to hold for a long term. Let us analyze this stock technically by using chart. Guys, I am using Zerodha for chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. You can easily open in 10 to 15 minutes. Here I have opened Venky's chart. the stock has fallen from the levels of 3950 to 2500 and it is presently trading at the level of 3153. If you look at its RSI, the relative strength index, it is at 68.13 and it is looking very strong. If you look at its MACD indicator, it is given bullish crossover signal. If you look at its volumes, the volumes have been suddenly increased in the previous session. If we look at its moving averages, it has formed a bullish Marubozu candle in the previous session by taking excellently support at 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average. Hence, if bullish candle forms by taking support at two moving averages like this, it is a clear bullish signal. Also, if you look at its Bollinger Bands, the Bollinger Bands are squeezed. If Bollinger Bands converge like this, it is a clear bullish signal. Also friends, in the past 1 month, the stock has been stuck in this channel. It has trading between the levels of 3100 and 2800. In the last session, it has given a breakout like this. If it forms another bullish candle above this channel, it can trigger a fresh rally. It can touch the levels of 3600, 3600 plus. It even may go up to the level of 4000. So friends, now let us see some levels and targets for taking a swing trade. The buy levels are level 1 3100, level 2 3050, level 3 2950 and the targets are target 1 3300, target 2 3420, target 3 3600. It can even touch the level of 4000. Friends, you can keep the stop loss at 2770 and the time period you have to hold is 2 to 8 weeks for achieving these targets. Please invest your amount partially at each and every buy level and hold the stock for at least 2 to 8 weeks for achieving these targets. Friends, Venky's is an excellent stock in the poultry business and if you look at its technicals, its RSI is good and it is excellently taken support with moving averages and MACD is already given bullish crossover signal and it has given channel breakout with huge volumes, so you can expect at least 20% returns in coming 30 to 60 days. A small disclaimer friends, level targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.